Hello, today is the last day of 12 days of Christmas. I have a really easy, simple, blue, Christmassy, cold vibes. Please, if you aren't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoy it. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm doing this look inspired by Makeup by Alina here on Instagram. She is stunning. Her looks are absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to do the white line by here because I like the way it looks there, but I'm going to be doing the, what are they called? Snowflakes on this eye. I'm just going to leave this eye like this, but as you can see I have done the glitter. Probably not as good as hers, but I will link her Instagram down below, so go check her out. So I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Correct in the shade White. Okay, so today I'm only going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm literally only going to be using this dark blue and the white shade. So first I'm going to take this dark blue and literally only going to be using this. So I'm first going to put this in my crease. This is such an easy Christmas look to do because you're only using one shade and you don't necessarily have to use this palette because obviously dark blues are in a lot of different palettes. I'm going to bring that down as well. I'm just going to take a little brush just to blend the edges out, but I haven't got any extra product on this brush, and that is pretty much it. Now I'm going to do the half cut crease. For that I'm just going to use the base we took. So after I've done that, I'm going to take the dark blue again and pat this on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go into the white in the palette and pat this on. Then I'm going to go back into the dark blue and further blend the outer corner. Now for the eyeliner, I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights in the shade Sapphire, which is the blue, and then I'm going to take the NYX White liquid liner, which I don't really like, but it's gonna have to do. I'm first gonna take the blue and we're gonna do this quite thick. Now I'm gonna take the white. Take the dark blue and just blend the outer corner with the white slightly. Now I'm going to add the glitter. So for the glitter I have two fine glitters here. I have a silver and a blue. So firstly I'm going to put some glue using the NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to pop that on. First I'm going to go in with the blue. Got these glitters from eBay, but they do have a proper website which I will link down below, as well as everything on my face. Then I'm going to take the silver. So that's the glitter. I'm going to put the Revolution Pro eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'm going to do the snowflakes, so good luck to me. Okay, so that didn't go to plan much, but I just added some stars in there. So I'm going to add eyelashes and stuff like that, and I will be right back. I'm going to be using the Tatty Lashes in TL6, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is pretty much it. The only thing I did off camera was the inner corner, and I used the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Ice Cold, and that's pretty much it. If you want to know what's on my lips and other things that I didn't mention, then look in the description box down below. I will have listed and linked the items in there, so go check that out. Also, please make sure to go over to my Instagram, Makeup by Liz Rose, and go give it a follow and support me. I know it was a quick and easy blue Christmassy vibes look, but I wanted to do at least one quick and easy look in this series. Please make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and please let me know down below what you thought of my 12 Days of Christmas. I will link the playlist up here. And yeah, that wraps up 12 Days of Christmas. This is day 12. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.